WhatsApp is free to download Messenger app for smartphones. WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, images, audio or video. The service is very similar to text messaging services, however, because WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, the cost of using WhatsApp is significantly less than texting. You can also use WhatsApp on your desktop. Simply go to the WhatsApp website and download it to Mac or Windows. It is popular with teenagers because of features like group chatting, voice messages and location sharing. To use WhatsApp you need a compatible smartphone or tablet with a SIM card, an internet connection, and a phone number. The app uses your phone number as its username, and your account is locked to the phone, although you can transfer your contacts over to new devices. WhatsApp is free to use in many countries. WhatsApp, officially WhatsApp Messenger, is an instant messaging, IM, and voice over IP, VoIP, service owned by technology conglomerate Meta. It allows users to send text, voice messages, and video messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, user locations, and other content. WhatsApp's client application runs on mobile devices, and can be accessed from computers. The service requires a cellular mobile telephone number to sign up. In January 2018, WhatsApp released a standalone business app called WhatsApp Business which can communicate with the standard WhatsApp client. The service was created by WhatsApp Incorporated of Mountain View, California, which was acquired by Facebook in February 2014 for approximately $19.3 billion. It became the world's most popular messaging application by 2015, and had more than 2 billion users worldwide by February 2020. By 2016, it had become the primary means of internet communication in regions including Latin America, the Indian subcontinent, and large parts of Europe and Africa. WhatsApp was founded in February 2009 by Brian Acton and Jan Koum, former employees of Yahoo. A month earlier, after Koum purchased an iPhone, he and Acton decided to create an app for the App Store. The idea started off as an app that would display statuses in a phone's contacts menu, showing if a person was at work or on a call. Their discussions often took place at the home of Koum's Russian friend Alex Fishman in West San Jose. They realized that to take the idea further, they would need an iPhone developer. Fishman visited rentacoder.com, found Russian developer Igor Solomenikov, and introduced him to Koum. Koum named the app WhatsApp to sound like What's Up. On February 24, 2009, he incorporated WhatsApp Incorporated in California. However, when early versions of WhatsApp kept crashing, Koum considered giving up and looking for a new job. Acton encouraged him to wait for a few more months. In June 2009, when the app had been downloaded by only a handful of Fishman's Russian-speaking friends, Apple launched push notifications, allowing users to be pinged even when not using the app. Koum updated WhatsApp so that everyone in the user's network would be notified when a user's status changed. This new facility, to Koum's surprise, was used by users to ping each other with jokey custom statuses like, "I woke up late" or "I'm on my way." Fishman said at some point it sort of became instant messaging. WhatsApp 2.0, released for iPhone in August 2009, featured a purpose-designed messaging component. The number of active users suddenly increased to 250,000. Although Acton was working on another startup idea, he decided to join the company. In October 2009, Acton persuaded 5 former friends at Yahoo to invest $250,000 in seed funding, and Acton became a co-founder and was given a stake. He officially joined WhatsApp on November 1. Koum then hired a friend in Los Angeles, Chris Pfeiffer, to develop a BlackBerry version, which arrived 2 months later. Subsequently, WhatsApp for Symbian OS was added in May 2010, and for Android OS in August 2010. In 2010 Google made multiple acquisition offers for WhatsApp, which were all declined. To cover the cost of sending verification texts to users, WhatsApp was changed from a free service to a paid one. In December 2009, the ability to send photos was added to the iOS version. By early 2011, WhatsApp was one of the top 20 apps in the US Apple App Store. In April 2011, Sequoia Capital invested about $8 million for more than 15% of the company, after months of negotiation by Sequoia partner Jim Getz. By February 2013, WhatsApp had about 200 million active users and 50 staff members. Sequoia invested another $50 million, and WhatsApp was valued at $1.5 billion. Sometime in 2013, WhatsApp acquired Santa Clara-based startup Skymobius, the developers of VTalk, a video and voice calling app. In a December 2013 blog post, WhatsApp claimed that 400 million active users used the service each month. The year 2013 ended with $148 million in expenses, of which $138 million in losses. In November 2010, a slate of improvements for the iOS version of WhatsApp were released, including the ability to search for messages in your chat history, trimming long videos to a sendable size, the ability to cancel media messages as they upload or download, and previewing photos before sending them. In March 2012, WhatsApp improved its location sharing function, allowing users to share not only their location, but also the location of places, such as restaurants or hotels. In August 2013, WhatsApp added voice messages to their apps, giving users a way to send short audio recordings directly in their chats. In January 2015, WhatsApp launched a web client that allowed users to scan a QR code with their mobile app, mirroring their chats to their browser. The web client was not standalone, and required the user's phone to stay on and connected to the internet. It was also not available for iOS users on launch, due to limitations from Apple. Voice calls between two accounts were added to the app in March and April 2015. By June 2016, the company's blog reported more than 100 million voice calls per day were being placed on WhatsApp. On November 10, 2016, WhatsApp launched a beta version of two-factor authentication for Android users, which allowed them to use their email addresses for further protection. Also in November 2016, Facebook ceased collecting WhatsApp data for advertising in Europe. Later that month, video calls between two accounts were introduced. On February 24, 2017, WhatsApp's 8th birthday, WhatsApp launched a new status feature similar to Snapchat and Facebook Stories. In July 2017, WhatsApp added support for file uploads of all file types, with a limit of 100 megabytes. Previously, between March 2016 and May 2017, only limited file types categorized as images, JPG, PNG, GIF, videos, MP4, AVI, and documents, CSV, doc/docs, PDF, PPT/PPTX, RTF, text, XLS/XLSX, were allowed to be shared for file attachments. Later in September 2018, WhatsApp introduced group audio and video call features. In October, the swipe to reply option was added to the Android beta version, 16 months after it was introduced for iOS. On October 25, 2018, WhatsApp announced support for stickers. But unlike other platforms, WhatsApp requires third-party apps to add stickers to WhatsApp. In October 2019, WhatsApp officially launched a new fingerprint app locking feature for Android users. In early 2020, WhatsApp launched its dark mode for iPhone and Android devices, a new design consisting of a darker palette. In October 2020, WhatsApp rolled out a feature allowing users to mute both individuals and group chats forever. The mute options are 8 hours, 1 week, and always. The always option replaced the 1-year option that was originally part of the settings. In March 2021, WhatsApp started rolling out support for third-party animated stickers, initially in Iran, Brazil, and Indonesia, then worldwide. In July 2021, WhatsApp announced forthcoming support for sending uncompressed images and videos in 3 options: auto, best quality, and data saver, and end-to-end encryption for backups stored in Facebook's cloud. The company was also testing multi-device support, allowing computer users to run WhatsApp without an active phone session. In August 2021, WhatsApp launched a feature that allows chat history to be transferred between mobile operating systems. This was implemented only on Samsung phones, with plans to expand to Android and iOS soon. WhatsApp has the facility to hide users' online status, last seen. In December 2021, WhatsApp changed the default setting from everyone to only people in the user's contacts or who have been conversed with. Nobody is also an option. In April 2022, WhatsApp announced undated plans to roll out a communities feature allowing several group chats to exist in a shared space, getting unified notifications and opening up smaller discussion groups. The company also announced plans to implement reactions, the ability for administrators to delete messages in groups and voice calls up to 32 participants. In May 2022, the file upload limit was raised from 100 megabytes to 2 GB, and maximum group size increased to 512 members. In April 2023, the app rolled out a feature that would allow account access across multiple phones, in a shift that would make it more like competitors. Messages would still be end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp officially rolled out the companion mode for Android users, allowing you to link up to 5 Android phones to a single account. Now, the feature is also made available to iOS users, allowing them to link up to 4 iPhones. In May 2023, WhatsApp allowed users to edit messages, aligning itself with competitors such as Telegram and Signal, which already offered this feature. According to the company, messages could be edited within a 15-minute window after being sent. Edited messages were tagged as edited to inform recipients that the content had been modified. WhatsApp has rolled out a feature called Voice Status Updates, which allows users to record voice notes and share them as their status on the app. In June 2023, a feature called WhatsApp Channels was launched, which allows content creators, public figures, and organizations to send newsletter-like broadcasts to large numbers of users. Unlike messages in groups or private chats, channels are not end-to-end encrypted. Channels were initially only available to users in Colombia and Singapore, then later Egypt, Chile, Malaysia, Morocco, Ukraine, Kenya, and Peru before becoming widely available in September 2023. In July 2023, video messages were added to WhatsApp. Similar to voice messages, this feature allows users to record and send short videos directly in a chat. This lets users share videos of themselves more quickly, and without adding anything to their device's gallery. Currently, video messages are limited to 60 seconds. In October 2023, support for logging into multiple accounts was added, allowing users to switch between different WhatsApp accounts in the same app. They also introduced passkey support, where a user can verify their login with on-device biometrics, rather than SMS. Text formatting options like code blocks, quote blocks, and bulleted lists and became available for the first time. In November 2023, WhatsApp added a voice chat feature for groups with more than 32 members. Unlike their 32-person group calls, starting a voice chat doesn't call all group members directly, they instead receive a notification to join the voice chat. WhatsApp also began rolling out support for sending login codes to a linked email address, rather than via SMS. In a later update on November 30, WhatsApp added a secret code feature, which allows those who use locked chats to enter a unique password that hides those chats from view when unlocking the app. In December 2023, WhatsApp's View Once feature expanded to include voice messages. Voice messages sent this way are deleted after the recipient listens to them the first time. After months at beta stage, the official first release of WhatsApp for iOS launched in November 2009. In January 2010, support for BlackBerry smartphones was added, and subsequently for Symbian OS in May 2010, and for Android OS in August 2010. In August 2011, a beta for Nokia's non-smartphone OS Series 40 was added. A month later, support for Windows Phone was added, followed by BlackBerry 10 in March 2013. In April 2015, support for Samsung's Tizen OS was added. The oldest device capable of running WhatsApp was the Symbian-based Nokia N95 released in March 2007, but support was later discontinued. In August 2014, WhatsApp released an update, adding support for Android Wear smartwatches. On January 21, 2015, WhatsApp launched WhatsApp Web, a browser-based web client that could be used by syncing with a mobile device's connection. On February 26, 2016, WhatsApp announced they would cease support for BlackBerry, including BlackBerry 10, Nokia Series 40, and Symbian S60, as well as older versions of Android 2.2, Windows Phone 7.0, and iOS 6, by the end of 2016. BlackBerry, Nokia Series 40, and Symbian support was then extended to June 30, 2017. In June 2017, support for BlackBerry and Series 40 was once again extended until the end of 2017, while Symbian was dropped. Support for BlackBerry and older, version 8.0, Windows Phone and older, version 6, iOS devices was dropped on January 1, 2018, but was extended to December 2018 for Nokia Series 40. In July 2018, it was announced that WhatsApp would soon be available for iOS feature phones. WhatsApp's principal platforms, which are fully supported, are devices supporting mobile telephony running Android and iPhones. WhatsApp was initially criticized for its lack of encryption, sending information as plain text. Encryption was first added in May 2012. End-to-end encryption was only fully implemented in April 2016 after a 2-year process. WhatsApp handled 10 billion messages per day in August 2012, growing from 2 billion in April 2012, and 1 billion the previous October. On June 13, 2013, WhatsApp announced that they had reached their new daily record by processing 27 billion messages. According to the Financial Times, WhatsApp has done to SMS on mobile phones what Skype did to international calling on landlines. By April 22, 2014, WhatsApp had over 500 million monthly active users, 700 million photos and 100 million videos were being shared daily, and the messaging system was handling more than 10 billion messages each day. On August 24, 2014, Com announced on his Twitter account that WhatsApp had over 600 million active users worldwide. At that point WhatsApp was adding about 25 million new users every month, or 833,000 active users per day. In May 2017, it was reported that WhatsApp users spend over 340 million minutes on video calls each day on the app. This is the equivalent of roughly 646 years of video calls per day. By February 2017, WhatsApp had over 1.2 billion users globally, reaching 1.5 billion monthly active users by the end of 2017. In January 2020, WhatsApp reached over 5 billion installs on Google Play Store, making it only the second non-Google app to achieve this milestone. As of February 2020, WhatsApp had over 2 billion users globally. WhatsApp competes with a number of messaging services. They include services like iMessage, estimated 1.3 billion active users, WeChat, 1.26 billion active users, Telegram, 900 million users, Viber, 260 million active users, Line, 217 million active users, KakaoTalk, 57 million active users, and Signal, 40 million active users. Both Telegram and Signal in particular were reported to get registration spikes during WhatsApp outages and controversies. WhatsApp has increasingly drawn its innovation from competing services, such as a Telegram-inspired web version and features for groups. In 2016, WhatsApp was accused of copying features from a then unreleased version of iMessage. Thank you for watching this video.